Many UK trains have hidden quirks, but the most mysterious one is the request stop. On Scotland's Far North Line, stations like Culrain, Dunrobin Castle and Invershin work this way. Not every train stops there. First, if you want to board, you must press the request button on the platform 20 to 5 minutes before the train arrives. That signals the driver that someone's waiting. Forget to press it, and the train will just pass you by. Second, if you're on board and want to get off, make sure to tell the staff in advance, or you might end up visiting the next town for free. Got any funny train stories? Share them in the comments.